Hello everyone and welcome back to another video where I'm going to show you how you can link your Level Infinite Pass on your Delta Force game within your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Delta Force game on your device, and once it is opened up, log in using your account and you will enter the main menu. After you have logged in, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner and this will take you to the settings page. Now just click on account at the bottom section and you will now see the link Level Infinite Pass button at the top. Go ahead and tap on it and you will now be asked to enter your email address and enter the verification code that you receive within. If you don't already have an email address linked, then you can simply type in your desired email address that you want to link with your account. After typing in this email address, tap on the Get Code button and you will receive a verification code within this email address that you have just entered. After typing in this code within the given box, click on the link button and then you can proceed with entering your details of your Level Infinite Pass to link it with your account right away. And there you have it. That is how you can link your Level Infinite Pass with the Delta Force game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.